Aya is a multilingual AI model developed by Cohere, AI research company, supports 23 languages. A unique feature of this model is that it does not require parallel corpora or machine translation to understand and generate text in multiple languages. Trained in a variety of languages, from a single model, it can generate coherent text across different language families. For this test, however, Aya is required to give me a list of 53 words, starting with W and H, in a numbered list sorted alphabetically. The test requires that Aya do not produce any repeated words in the 53 numbered list. Bearing in mind this is a 35 billion model, it did take some time to load into memory. The size of these models is determined by their depth, number of layers, width, number of neurons per layer, and complexity. A larger model requires more computational resources to load, which can lead to longer loading times. Another important factor are dependencies and pre-trained weights. Many advanced AI models are built upon pre-trained weights or rely on external libraries for specific functionalities. These dependencies add to the overall size and complexity of the model, increasing load time. Thank you for your patience. It can be seen that Aya large language model started to have problems from line 17, which possibly indicates that the model ran out of words beginning with W and H, as seen with other models in this particular test. This is further evident from line 30, where the word starts with W and O, and even line 49, starting at X and Y, letters, as its choice. Running out of words is probably unlikely, since LLMs are trained on large datasets. A typical model would have undergone training from the use of sophisticated algorithms to predict the next word in any given sequence based on the preceding words. This is a valid test, therefore, in trying to discover from a model its understanding of language usage and context. In this case, English language and use case. The model was asked to try again, but this time only produced 25 words instead of the 53 asked for as part of the requirements. Also, the AI model did not seek to engage in any dialogue for feedback in its response to the first output. After the second response, the model did state a misunderstanding in the request, but rather the model actually misunderstood the instructions of the request. So the third attempt started incorrectly from the get-go with W and A, as opposed to W and H as requested. So determined to discover if the Aya AI model could produce the correct results, it was asked a fourth time. As you can see from line 15, the LLM struggled with W and H as requested, but instead produced the word wick, W and I, as its choice. The 53 words test will resume after further training from the model, which will be an updated version. Parting words from the AI model was that it appreciated the feedback,